Good morning, Morgan, and good morning to any of Morgan's friends that have joined us for today's video. We're on the downhill side. We'll be done with the CSV series in no time, and then it's off to Django when the real fun starts. But before we have to do that, we have to learn about different methods that we can use with the dialect function. Except for this one, which has something to do with raising an exception. But, it's a bunch of little pieces, so we're shoving it all together. And with that, let's start our reading.
The CSV module defines the following exception. Exception CSV, error. Raised by any of the functions when an error is detected.
Okay.
Dialects and formatting parameters. To make it easier to specify the format of input and output records, specific formatting parameters are grouped together into dialects. A dialect is a subclass of the dialect class having a set of specific methods and a single validate method. When creating reader or writer objects, the programmer can specify a string or a subclass of the dialect class as the dialect parameter. In addition to, or instead of, the dialect parameter, the programmer can also specify individual formatting parameters, which have the same names as the attributes defined below for the dialect class.
All right, I like that. They did a review on what a dialect is before they go and add a new piece. Okay? And so let's keep going.
Dialects support the following attributes. Dialect.delimiter. A one-character string used to separate fields. It defaults to comma. Dialect.doublequote. Controls how instances of quote char appearing inside a field should themselves be quoted. When true, the character is doubled. When false, the escape char is used as a prefix to the quote char. It defaults to true.
Those quotes, the double quotes, they're always a big pain in the ass, don't you guys think? Anyway, let's keep going.
On output, if double quote is false and no escape char is set, error is raised if a quote char is found in a field.
All right, that's interesting. Okay. So now, so you got to be aware that that might be an error if there's, if you don't have a default set.
Dialect.escapeChar. A one-character string used by the writer to escape the delimiter if quoting is set to quote_none and a quote char if double quote is false. On reading, the escape char removes any special meaning from the following character. It defaults to none, which disables escaping.
All right. Well, I think that's it for this video for today. That little bit about the escape chart, for some reason, I don't understand what they're talking about. But you guys are young with spongy brains, and hopefully it made sense to you. But I really don't understand what they're talking about with what an escape character. Does that mean when they force the start of a new row? I don't know. But hey, if you want to figure it out, leave something in the comment because I don't understand that last little bit. Okay, with that, we are done with this video, and we will see you in the next one. All right? All right. Later.